Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the daily weather briefing video, the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 15th of July. I'm James Spann. Here we are in the middle of summer, and the weather just looks and feels like summer, really, for the next 7 to 10 days. It is that time of the year where things just don't change a lot, but still always something interesting to find about the weather, so let's talk about it. This is the upper air look early this morning, where the pressure is 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. And again, that large-scale upper high, the center of the heat, is west of the state. And, of course, the jet stream is on top of the heat bubble, little trough over the eastern states. And in terms of the radar here this morning, we got a few scattered showers and storms across the Florida panhandle, but most of Alabama is very quiet to start the day. Got a few 60s on the board. Good to see that. 66 for places like Gadsden, Pell City, Cullman. Birmingham at 71. Most spots are in the 70s across the Deep South. We're expecting highs generally in the low 90s today, which is what we expect this time of the year. This is the watch warning map. We've got a few heat advisories for parts of the nation's midsection. See a few flash flood watches for parts of Utah and Colorado. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. Got a risk of severe storms way up north, parts of Montana, the Dakotas, Wyoming. It's their tornado season there. Tomorrow, a marginal risk across parts of the High Plains states. This is day 3, which is Sunday. No organized severe weather expected across the country. But Monday, day 4, got a risk way up near the Canadian border. And then on day 5, Tuesday, a risk of severe storms for parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. This is the rain for the next 7 days across the country. And again, here we'll have the pop-up storms around much of next week, but the rain amounts will be scattered in nature, random. For most locations, about 1/2 inch on an average basis. But typically, as we all know, it's feast or famine this time of the year. Weather in the tropics, awfully quiet. And again, most of the seasonal outlooks suggest this will be an above-average season, which means things will probably start to shake and bake out there in August and September. But for now, we see no sign of any tropical trouble for at least the next 5 days. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06C run valid today at 4. And again, the upper maps tell the story better. Got the 597 upper high off to the west, broad troughing along the east coast. And again, evidence the northern half of the state should be pretty dry today. I got a few scattered showers and storms near the Gulf Coast and the southern quarter of the state. Highs in the low 90s. This is tomorrow. Looks like most of Alabama dried, but understand there's the chance of a storm every day in the summer here, but they should be few and far between. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday. That looks awfully dry. And highs for the weekend, low to mid-90s. Go to next week. Monday, evidence the deeper moisture could be over the northern part of the state. Tuesday, looking awfully dry. Wednesday, not a lot of change there. This is Thursday. Evidence moisture might be a smidgen deeper. And this is a week from today, Friday the 22nd. Upper high center just a little off to the west. And again, just old summertime weather. Let's go out to 10 days. This is Sunday the 24th. I got a ridge in place here. And once again, partly sunny, hot, humid, a few scattered storms around. We say that a lot this time of the year, don't we? This is the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is a little over 2 inches for the rest of July. Your number will vary. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s for the next 10 days. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for July 22nd through July 28th. Temperatures probably a little above average. It's just that time of the year. So did you see the deal yesterday? And again, I love getting videos and photographs from people. Very interesting. This was Fort Payne up on the mountain, up on Lookout Mountain. That guy's been around for a while. He's been tagged, but you never know who shows up out in your front yard. This was a great rainbow, a bunch of rainbow shots yesterday. This was down at Lake Martin after a passing shower. And after the rainbows, the sunset was stunning. Usually I find a cow picture. Didn't find a cow picture yesterday, but how about a horse picture? And a dog picture. It was Weiss Lake. Gulf Coast sunset was great last night, and then after the sun went down, had some pretty impressive lightning along the Gulf Coast. This was taken on the Alabama Gulf Coast last night. Awfully impressive to watch the lightning display there. Had a near full supermoon last night. The full moon was night before last when this photograph was taken, and had the big show down in Tuscaloosa, the Chris Stapleton concert. Thanks to Skip Baumhauer, he took that shot in. Skip takes some amazing photographs, and that was like a huge crowd, and the weather worked out pretty well for that. So don't forget, we have a book signing tomorrow in Gordo. Yeah, buddy, Pickens County. Understand, we're going to go to different parts of the state. We're going to Huntsville and the area, Mobile area. It's just going to take some time to get around to everywhere, but we'll be in Gordo tomorrow from 9 until noon at Main Street Nutrition, which is on Main Street. And we have so much fun at these things. They're great. We have all the books and the shirts and the hats and all the cool weather stuff there. And we just have a lot of fun. So if you can't come see us, 9 to noon in Gordo. That's just west of Tuscaloosa in Pickens County, between Tuscaloosa and Columbus, Mississippi. But that's it this morning. Thanks for watching. We'll do another update, video briefing update this afternoon about 2:30. We have notes on our blog. It's always there if you want to check that out, alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.